What is the beginning letter of zebra? Huh? What is the beginning letter of zebra? What letter is for zebra? Z. What letter is for xylophone? Huh? What is the beginning letter of xylophone?
S.
Very good. What is the beginning letter of sun? Letter
S.
S. What is the beginning letter of apple? Letter
A.
A. What is the beginning letter of dog? The dog. What letter?
D.
D. What is the beginning letter of egg? Letter
E.
E. What is the beginning letter of ice cream?
I.
I. What is the beginning letter of monkey?
Monkey.
What letter?
M.
M. What is the beginning letter of umbrella?
Do.
U. What is the beginning letter of robot?
Boo.
Robot. What letter?
A.
R. Very good. What is the beginning letter of turtle?
T.
T. What is the beginning letter of watch?
Do.
W. What is the beginning letter of fan?
Fan.
Letter
A.
fan. Letter? What letter?
F.
F. Very good. What is the beginning letter of guitar? Letter?
D.
Letter G. What is the beginning letter of sun? Letter
S.
S. What is the beginning letter of nose? Nose? What letter? Huh? What letter?
D.
No! Nose! What letter?
D.
Nose. Letter? What?
W.
Okay, change. What is the beginning letter of penguin?
P.
Letter P. What is the beginning letter of dinosaur?
D.
D. Alright, change. A for,
Boo.
B for,